Okay, so first question from the AMA. Once again, if you have any questions, go to menti.com, menti.com. Use the code 6957653. That's 6957653. So first question, can you use token metrics to short, i.e. technical analysis bearish or very bearish and price prediction going down? Yes, you can use token metrics to short. Now, I personally don't really short coins, but if that's something that floats your boat, that is possible. Let me show you how you can do that. So if we just go here to ratings, so if you're shorting, I would definitely change the grade to trader grades, then come here, change the TA and choose bearish and very bearish to add those filters. Right now, there are lots of coins that are very bearish, and then also find where the price prediction is negative. So I would actually just say that is pretty much your checklist. And then also a coin that has poor fundamentals. So just add a filter and say, let's say fundamentals are below 30. And then I would also add a filter for liquidity. So let's say with trading volume greater than 1 million daily. Right, so in this case, we're looking at BAT, basically attention token. Actually, one of the filters is not working. But in general, let me sort this. So yeah, lots of coins that aren't really so good. But if we go to the high cap coins, let me sort this by volume. So we have BAT, Uniswap, Cosmos, VeChain, Huobi token, right? Filecoin, that was a recent ICO from 2017. And I think at one point, it's fully the diluted market cap was close to Bitcoin's market cap. So that one is definitely gonna go down. Now, disclosure, I was an investor in the ICO, but our tokens are vested. But just looking at that, that's how I would use token metrics to short. With that being said, how do you guys short? Cobb?
Trend. I make a watch list of markets that I can short that have the liquidity. And I just follow the trend. I've got 3 trading strategies and I don't veer from them at all, ever. It might seem boring, and yeah, it does get boring. And that's why I started a business, because I was bored. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. You sit there by yourself, they go, oh, you know, must have been great. Yeah, it was cool. I live at Bondi. I was spearfishing every day. I was going for surfs when the surf was good. I was fishing when the tides were good. I was growing up with, I was raising my kids. It was cool, but I wasn't here, because imagine spending 10 years of your life by yourself, staring, for the most part by yourself, staring at 4 computer screens, following 3 checklists. Yeah, money's great, but freaking hell. Boring, right? Yeah. When you get good at this shit, it is boring, right? So I wanted to bring people together and help other people to do this. So I use those 3 strategies. I just turn it on its head. It's exactly the same methodology. It's exactly the same perspectives on everything. I just trade trends and where the liquidity is. That's it.
Yeah, well said, well said. Oh man, I mean, I love Bondi Beach. Haven't been there in a while. Want to go back.
You did a thing with the Mad Hooey's here, didn't you, a while back?
Yes, yeah. So went down there with them. We filmed some stuff. Went on a boat. Did a shoey. For those who don't know what a shoey is, just check online.
yeah. Have a look. You won't miss it. You probably see Ricardo doing it. Not that he's been on the podium for a while, but
yeah. Then Bill, your take on how to short.
All right. So when it comes to using token metrics, a lot of times if you see our models shifting our portfolios into stable coins or even to just Bitcoin and Ethereum, keeping in mind that, you know, it's an altcoin company. So when the artificial intelligence moves into, you know, your dad's crypto on Coinbase, that can be a signal that it may be time to start looking at shorts or hedges for your book. Okay. Now, what I've learned from traders is that frequently in crypto, a lot of the guys that make the most money trading from the short side are guys that learn how to sell rallies. Now, I don't have the formula here. I do like the fact that Trader Cobb has a checklist, right? That's obviously the best way to go if you can establish your own rules. But from my experience, the sort of the guys with ice running through their veins, they learn how to short the market and put on hedges when it's going up rather than chasing it when it's going down.
Very interesting. Very interesting. All right. Well, tell us what you think. Anybody out there is shorting the market? Post down in the comments below.